Hello pilots, welcome to Complete Walkaround. Today we are counting down the top 5 best light sport bush planes. What we're going to do is take these stats using a Rotax 912 directly from the manufacturer's websites, rank them, score them, and give us a list of the top 5. Here we go with number 5. Just Aircraft SuperStealth. Now if you look at these numbers, you're probably going to think, I saw this plane take off and land in less than 50 feet on YouTube, and you're absolutely correct. However, just a reminder, these stats are from the manufacturer for a standard built kit using a Rotax 912. Obviously, these planes can be heavily modified, and they often are. But if you build the kit to the letter with the Rotax 912 to LSA weight restrictions, this is what you're going to get. So SuperStealth came in at number 5. According to Just Aircraft, it requires 400 feet to take off, and the climb rate of 800 feet per minute can be a little bit misleading, whereas this plane travels very slowly, and while it doesn't climb especially fast, it does climb at a very steep angle. To make an analogy, a helicopter might climb at 100 feet per minute, but there's no chance it's going to crash into the trees at the end of the runway, because it's going straight up. In any case, let's look at number 4. Rands S21 Outbound. The S21 is the fastest plane on our list today, and it has the best range. Probably because, in my opinion, this plane is squeezed into the light sport category. It really shines in the experimental home build category. If this plane is registered as an experimental home build with a Rotax 915, the useful load jumps all the way up to 885 pounds, and the range to 957 miles. But that's not what we're talking about today. This plane can be registered as a light sport, and if it is, this is how it performs. Which is still pretty great because you still get the fast cruise and the long range, even in the light sport category, which is sort of the exact opposite of number 3. The Zenith STOL CH701. This plane, in my opinion, is the most purpose-built STOL plane in our list today. I kind of think of it as the backyard explorer. It's the slowest plane in the list and has the least range. It also has the absolute shortest takeoff and landing. So if you're looking to explore your local area, this really is the plane to do it in. And the kit costs only $23,000. Keeping in mind that all the planes on our list today are using the Rotax 912, the kit cost really is the big variable in the cost to build these planes. Which leads us to number 2, and number 2 is actually a dead heat with number 1, the Kitfox S7 STI and the Just Aircraft Highlander. These two planes really are the Coke and Pepsi of the light sport bush plane world. It's up to you to decide which one is Coke and which one is Pepsi, but they actually ranked exactly the same in our list. Let's make some room here and have a look. As you can see, they each ranked number 1 in one category, number 2 in 2 categories, number 3 in 2 categories, and number 4 in 1 category, which gives them the exact same score. Interestingly though, they all ranked good and bad in different categories, so which one is better for you is really a matter of what your priority is. The Highlander is a little bit faster and can carry a lot more, and costs less. The Kitfox climbs faster and takes off and lands a lot shorter. Overall, these are both excellent airplanes. Ranking one over the other is really subjective, so let me know which one you think is better in the comments, or if you think there's any planes that we missed in this list that should be included. In any case, that's our top 5 bush planes, LSA edition. Thanks very much to the subscribers. We are a new channel and we really appreciate you early adopters. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.